Boop. I'm just booping her. I'm just giving her a boop because she's in my lap. She's in booping distance. I think his legs are stuck in fast forward. Where you going, Pumpernickel? His legs are stuck in fast forward, Mama. And Babka and Peter are practicing their climbing. And there's somebody on the other side of the end of the crate who must be Crouton. So that's the girls. Yup. No, wait. Because this is, okay, so that was Chabata. And still, Pumpernickel is stuck in fast forward. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's crazy, Mama. He's crazy. What you doing, crazy boy? Working on your skitter? Are you working on your skitter? Working on her climbing class.